kibor penya jang ka Atiar Department of Public Safety ha ka jingale ban wat yo Briew badan kti ban Siat yap yo Charlie Kirk ha ka jingalang bat kinong tho khubor ha ka khatwei tere unai lor arajar pusan kilala ban pni paj ba ya ka video jong unong Siat Charlie Kirk ubadang live voice nam karta ude unong seng jong turning point USA bola Siat yap ha ka por bo let ka jingalang ha Utah Valley University USA ha ka spau tere unai lor arajar pusan Commissioner Jong Utah Department of Public Safety Upo Mason uli thu bo teu Briew ulathia hakaliang kadiang ka basalor jong ketika ying nangta usuba ulalech kaliang kadiang tam kat bau dang mare sadien jong kawai ka jingtei ka badon hatrai do nangta ulakiu nagatru bod lahiar sapo usuba ulai no yakidakti badak juti Commissioner uli thu ru bakidang wat banlum yaka DNA naki kattu katni ki Sakhi ki bla no sadien hendrei lalap bo teu Briew ulapong yaki juti yele kai tennis Converse upang patron jeans rong blue t-shirt rong yong bat ki bali ki dei na ka khongdong juti laya thu commissioner sapang katai ka video ula pele jingmot ru ya ka jan ka bau phong ka badan ya ka lama America ka badan ka aka ka bapau kum ka kling layo i bo new Briew ula phong da ka tupia baseball ka badan ya ka dor triangle haka Commissioner ula kado bakini baro ki dei ki jingtho bakerpang bat kinya rap ya ki Briew ban ithu yo teu Briew ubaki suba Hadien bau teu Briew ula kenti na ketika yeng mala ula hap ha ka jaka ka balong jerngam badnang ta ula let ka jaka ka badan ding ha ka baki bor penyat kila yok kurop ya katai ka rifle kibor penyat kim sham la shim jing kali shu ha katai ka por da ka bapen pau balaya sam ya ki jing tep babnya shaki paj ba na ka benta bandan ka jing to ket ka basai badru baki la pen kan mau shu shu ki paj ba baka FBI kala pen bana banai khusnam pisa ya ki Briew ki ba jing tep ban kem yo teu Briew
So here you see the suspect ran behind that upper building. He's going to come out on the right, moves to this far right corner. As he does, he's going to climb off the edge and then drop down to the ground. As he did that, he left some palm impressions. There's some smudges, some places we're looking to collect DNA. There's a shoe imprint where we believe the suspect is clearly identified as wearing Converse tennis shoes. Again, we'll replay that again so you can get another view of that. It's important to note his black T-shirt, his black pants, and there appears to be some white on the soles of those Converse tennis shoes. Those are all identifiable items that we're looking for. In the stills that are going to follow this, you're going to see a very distinctive T-shirt with an American flag and appears to have an eagle on it. There's also a baseball cap with a triangle on it and a pair of sunglasses. All distinctive, all things that we would ask the public to look for and try to identify if they know someone who has those items, who has been seen wearing those items. We're looking for all that information. Here you see the suspect after dropping off the building. He moved around across this grassy area, around the parking lot. We're going to pan to the right. After he crosses the street, this is where he moves over into the wooded area. This is the video evidence that we utilize to track his movements and to locate that firearm in that wooded area following the discovery of this evidence. Good. You want to go to the stills? So here's the still photographs I mentioned. These have been enhanced. So these are slightly different than what we introduced earlier. Please pay close attention to the T-shirt. Like I said, very distinctive with that American flag and that eagle. The hat with the triangle and the sunglasses. If you'll go to the next picture, please. The backpack as well. All identifying features that we're hoping the public can help us identify and lead us to this suspect. Next picture. And again, there's a better picture of the hat with that triangle logo and again the T-shirt. Blue jeans, and you get a good look at those Converse tennis shoes as well. We have pushed these out. We'll continue to push these out, and we just ask for the public's cooperation.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia Kan nutrition bakam bhak, ka jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.